everyone. Today we'll learn some basics of mathematics. You all know the basics of mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today we'll learn the basics of mathematics so that we can improvise our speed in calculations. Right. Firstly, I'll start with addition. When we do the additions, whatever we get as the total is called the sum, right? And this process is called addition. Now, we add two numbers, 783 plus 56. How do we do this? Yeah, 3 plus 6, 9, 8 plus 5, 13. Put the carry here itself so that you won't forget to add it. And then if there is an empty place, put a 0 in order to avoid confusion. And then always write the ones place number below the ones place, tens below the tens and hundreds below the hundreds, and leave a gap between each place so that you will have a clarity while calculating. 7 plus 1 is 8. Right? And the next one is we have a bit of confusion while adding with decimals, the points, right? So let me give an example for this. 785.66. So after the point you should not say 66, you should say 66. Each term should be a total. Now 953.785. How do we do this? Right? 785.66. Right? And now this is the number. How we have to concentrate on the point. Point below the point. And after the point, what numbers are there? 7, 8, 5. Now this place is vacant. Put a 0 here. Right? And here, after this side of the point, the left side of the point, what do we have? 3, 5, 9. Right? Now our addition is clear. Now we can do it easily. So, point below the point. Why? Because this is 1/10th place, 100th place, and this is 1000th place. So, we have to allot each one respectively to their respective places. Right? 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 7, 13. Plus 1, 14. Again, point below the point. Yes. And then 14, here carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8. Plus 1, 9. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 8 plus 9, 17. Right? This is how we do the addition with decimals. Now on to the next calculations, subtraction. Right? Generally how we get the sum, the problem or the sum is subtract 375 from 685. Now you need to have a clarity. Which one from which one? 375 from 685. So which you would put on the top? 685. And which at the bottom? 375. Right? 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. Right? Next, we have this thing called the borrow subtraction, which we have been learning from our childhood. Let's go with one borrow sum. Right? So, if it is subtract 512 from 900. How would you do this? 900 minus 512. One below the other, so that it is very clear to you. Now, 0 minus 2, is it possible? No. So this 0 goes and knocks at the door of the 0 beside it. That 0 also doesn't have anything. So that 0 goes and knocks at the door of 9. So 9 has something. So 9 gives 1 and this becomes 10. And this 9 has given 1, so it becomes 8. Right? And now this has got 10. So when this has knocked the door, it gives 1. So this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Right? Now it's easy. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. Yes? Now, we go on with the decimals. Can we go with the decimals? If it is given this way, subtract 365.76 from 905.632. Right? How will we go about this? 905.632. As I told you in addition, point below the point. Right? Now let me be clear. Here is the point. Right? Point below the point. And then that side. 7, 6. Now nothing is there. Put a 0. And now this side of the point. 5, 6, 3. Subtract. Right? 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 6 not possible. So this becomes 13. This becomes 5. 13 minus 6, 7. Again, 5 minus 7 not possible. It goes and borrows from 5. So 5 becomes 4. This becomes 15. So 15 minus 7, 8. Point below the point. We should be very particular with this. Otherwise, we generally forget. So immediately as you're crossing the point, immediately put the point and then come this side. 4 minus 5 not possible. It goes and asks 0. 0 also doesn't have anything. So 0 goes and asks 9. So this 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. And 4 goes and borrows from it. So 10 becomes 9. This becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. As easy as that, provided you put the point below the point. No confusion in that, and fill the empty gaps with 0. Right? Shall we go on to the next calculation, that is multiplication? On to the next calculation, that is multiplication. When you multiply two numbers, you get their product. If at all you are giving the product of two numbers, that means remember it is multiplication. And when there are no symbols between two numbers, that also denotes multiplication. Right? Let's get into it. If it is 753 into 86. Let's start. 753 into 86. How do we do this? First we tell the 6 table. 6 3s are 18. Put the carry here itself so that you won't forget. 6 5s are 30. Plus 1, 31. 3 carry. 6 7s are 42. Plus 3, 45. Right? And now put the plus symbol here so that you will have a clarity that you have to add these two numbers. And when you are writing the numbers in the second line, be particular that you write each number below the respective number. Right? 8 3s are 24. 4 below 1. Right? And the 2 carry here itself. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. So write the 2 below 5 and the 4 carry. 8 7s are 56. Plus 4, 60. Right? Now this is empty. If it's going to cause confusion, you can put a 0. When one is below the other, it is very clear what to be added to which one, right? So 8, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 0, 4 and 6. Shall we go on with the decimals and multiplication now? Yeah. Let's get started. If it is 650.76 into 3.5. How would we do this? 650.76. So generally while multiplying, do not take the points. After multiplying, you can just add how many numbers and then you can put the points, right? So into 3.5, right? Here we have put the numbers, but we are not considering the points at all. After we get the product, then we are going to put the points, right? 5 6 are 33. 5 7s are 35 plus 3, 38. 3 carry. 5 zeros are, here is where many children get confused. 5 zeros are 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 25, 2 carry. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. Right? And as usual, put the plus sign. 3 6 are 18. Carry here. 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22. 2 carry. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. Now, this gap is vacant, so you can put a 0 over there in order to avoid confusion. And don't put points anywhere here, right? 0, 8 plus 8, 16. Leave a gap here so that you can put the carry here, right? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now you have to add how many places? Right here, after point how many? 1. After point how many? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here you should put the point. You count how many place values here. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 and here you put the decimal point. Shall we go with the division now?